Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlike a post or a segment, which is actually a post in Strava, on the Strava application. So first of all, you would like to have Strava application already downloaded into your phone. Of course, if you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you will have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, once it's downloaded, you will need to go and open it up, and they will ask you to log in into your account. Of course, if you have an account, make sure to log in into it, but if you don't, they will give you the option to create your account. They will give you the Google account, the Facebook account, and the email account. Choose whatever suits you, and once you're logged in into your account or even created your account, you'll find yourself here with this home page or with the home of the Strava application. Of course, here in this home, you will find just the post that you already posted for you. Recent post. You can, of course, add a new post if you want, a post, a photo, manual activity. All of them are segments. And of course, you can edit some of your recent posts if you want, like a post here I posted like yesterday. I can edit it if I want by clicking the three dots and edit the post, or even delete it if I want. But as we said, what we said that we are going to do is just to show you how to unlike a post. So simply, first of all, you can just go here and click add this, and as you can see, the likes are called kudos in this application. So if we click here, as you can see, I don't have even the option of liking those posts. Why? Because those are my own posts. So of course, if you want to like a post, you can just go and click add this, and you normally should like a post if it's not yours. And if you want to unlike it, simply just go and click on the same option, and you should be able to unlike the post again. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.